Hi guys, welcome back to the channel guys. Here we are again in the bathroom. Guys, it is March 6th and I still have Valentine stuff laying around. Well, not laying around, but bathroom decor. Yeah guys. I'm still recuperating, so I'm taking it easy. So, we're going to wash our tub, which is filthy. I'm going to take everything out, put it on the sink, scrub the tub, put everything back, then move on to this side. But meanwhile, I'm going to take this curtain off. And it's a pain in the neck because being short. Oh my God. It hurts to stretch. Hold on, I'm gonna go get a chair to climb in there. I also going to take everything out of this bathroom. I'm telling you guys, I can actually sit in my bathroom. It's nasty. You know, it's weird because my husband would not do the house stuff. Only if he has to. Yeah, he kept on top of the toilet, but not enough to me say they actually I like the bathroom nice to be nice and clean. Okay. All right. Oh. So how you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing good. Guys, a lot of you guys might gonna be like, oh, your hair is really greasy. Yes, I do have an oil treatment on my hair. After I'm done doing the bathroom, I'm going to hit the shower. Take this thing off. And the oil that I got in my hair is 3 different types of oil for hair growth. I do it myself at home, and I also have my shampoo that I also add some things to it for hair growth and to stop hair shedding, especially at our age over 50. So yeah. Ooh. God, that scared me. Oh, I gotta clean this thing. Let me take all this stuff out. I really don't know what's spilling here. It sure ain't my stuff. Sometimes I just wonder. You don't believe me that this is dirty? Look at that. Look at here, look at here, look at here. Oh my God. Disgusting. You don't see the dirt, but it's there. So, yep. I'm telling you, since I started using that for my shower, this is the best thing that I, so far, the foam for the, you get this at the Dollar Tree. I bring 160 white. They are not disinfectant, but this is for the bathroom, so I added a little bit of bleach. So it'll be disinfectant for the bathroom. I'll also use it for my kitchen counters because of the bleach. It kills everything. And I also have 2 more that I actually wipe tables and stuff without bleach, you know. All right, put this in the trash. Oh, Lord. I gotta buy another big brush for the floor. just a little bit of that on the floor because I don't want to be sliding all over the place. Mi casa, queremos yo. I think the worst thing that I had was the tub. Alright, so I'm going to scrub this. I'm going to, whew, oh my gosh. I'm going to mop it up. I also gotta wipe this wall back here. Because, you know, I always say you haven't been in the house and the men pee, it'll splatter all over the place. So, yeah. All right. Let me go grab my mop and mop it up. for now. It still has some, and this is strawberry watermelon. I got this from the Dollar Tree. Smells really good. And I'm constantly scrubbing this sink. All right. This is to wash my face. Guys, I actually got this from the Dollar Tree. It's face wash. It contains tea tree oil. It's actually really good. I'm not mad at it. I like it. I really do like it. And I've been using another brand for many, many years. But I decided to give this a try, and I like it. It does basically the same thing, and it cost me $1.25 or $1.50, something like that. So think about it. From the brand that I was using, which it was 16 something. Yeah. To this, I gotta go, and hopefully I can find a couple more bottles and put it for backup. Anyway, guys, let's put the shower curtain, put everything together, and show you what the bathroom looks like. All right, guys, I am done. My bathroom is done finally. So this is what it looks like. I went with my butterfly curtains. I love it. I can't wait for spring. I love my color. Yeah, guys, so I put a butterfly right there on the shelf on the top, and I got my two little gnomes there. I took out the frames, and I put one butterfly there and one behind the door. And simple. I don't have anything here on my shelf, just the stuff that we need, that we use, and that's it. And here I have the tissue, wipes, and to clean the bathroom with, and a trash can. That's it, guys. Simple, simple, simple. All right, guys, be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy, and remember, guys, God loves you, and I do too. And we'll be into the next one. Bye-bye.